watch a video, and have some fun. Read a book online. You're still not done. Learn new things and play games too. Listen to Beacon. He'll tell you what to do.
Click on a category or click on the feature to begin.
Animals and nature.
When I grow up,
she told the pollywog.
I'm going to turn into something else.
Oh, what fun!
Tadpoles. Are those fish? No, they are tadpoles. Tadpoles grow into frogs or toads.
Tadpoles, newly hatched frogs or toads.
Frogs and toads are amphibians. Amphibians live in water and on land. Frogs have smooth skin. Toads have bumpy skin.
Read the clue below. Click on the word it matches. Match all the words to uncover a picture. To break out of an egg. Algae, amphibian, embryo, tadpole, worm, hatched.
Nice work.
A baby that is growing inside an egg. Embryo.
Nice work.
Tiny plants with no roots or stems that grow in water. Algae, amphibian, tadpoles, worms, algae.
Nice work.
Long, thin animals with no... Read the sentence below. Is it fact or fiction? Click on a button to give your answer. Fish talk to pollywogs.
Nice work.
Tadpoles don't have any legs.
Nice work.
A caterpillar... Look at these 3 pictures. What happened first? Drag that picture to the yellow box. What happened next? Drag that picture to the purple box. What happened last? Drag that picture to the orange box. Animals and nature.
Click on a category or click on the feature to begin.
Family and community.